In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to create Clash Royale deck. So without any further ado, let's get started. Tap on the collection from the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the number 2 to create a new deck. In the Clash Royale deck, you will be able to choose 8 cards. Main card. Choose a main card that will help you deal damage to enemy towers. For example, Royal Giant, Miner, Hog Rider, etc. Support cards. Pick 2 to 3 cards that work well with your main card by helping it survive or deal more damage. Cards like Electro Wizard, Baby Dragon will help the main card. Defensive cards. Choose cards like Cannon, Inferno Tower, Tornado, Mini P.E.K.K.A which helps to defend against the common threats and strong pushes. Spell cards. Spells like Fireballs, Rocket can be used for defense and chip damage. Balance the Exiler cost. Check your deck's average Exiler cost. Keep it between 3.0 and 4.0 for a good balance between offense and defense. Test and adjust. Play with the deck in battles. Make changes based on what works and what doesn't. And that's how you can create Clash Royale deck.